Hey everybody, this is Chef Harpal. Now this egg is creating some history across the internet, and I'm here with this brown egg creating my own version because I think this egg is also going to create history in India sometime in April. While the history is now, but in April also there's going to be history because I'm going to make eggs Kejriwal. Now this has got nothing to do with Mr. Kejriwal in Delhi, but I'm sure there's something to do in April that's going to happen. So to begin with, what I'm going to do is quickly take some oil. You can take some butter also. Take this beautiful pav. You can toast bread if you want to. Open this up, take this up, heat it up. Somebody broke egg on the street, become world famous. This is already. And I'm going to add some chilies here just to create masala pav. There you go, open it up like this, add it up on this plate. Quickly add some oil, some onions, saute it nicely, light brown, sweat the onions. Yes, somebody's actually going to make the elections very interesting this April. And I'm not dedicating this to him, but I am actually cooking the brown egg, which has become famous. Now, onions sweated, tomatoes in this, one small onion, one small tomato chopped. Now the story of this eggs Kejriwal is actually about a person who used to go to Wellington Club in Mumbai. Every time he would order the eggs his style, which was sunny side up eggs on some masala like this. But egg suddenly became famous. Somebody broke it on the road. So after sauteing about for 2-3 minutes, let's do some my style. Namak shamak tanak tanak. Aha. Whoa. Kya baat. Saute this. And some spices. As per your choice, a teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and this is my version. Saute, add some fresh coriander, some chilies I've got. Yes, mix it nice. Now these two eggs that have become famous like this, yay! I'm going to use them. Sunny side up, careful in breaking, okay? Cover it up, let it get cooked. Like I said, my version, cover it up for a minute, cook it. Now add cheese. Wow! There you go. And some herbs, mixed herbs on this. Chili flakes. Wow! Fresh coriander. Cover it again. Let the cheese get melted. And we are ready to serve on beautiful paws. And there you go. We're ready. The egg is also ready. Wow. Need to slide up on top of this. There you go. And that is eggs Kejriwal, once famous at Wellington Club, became famous just yesterday and will be famous again in April for the elections. Eggs Kejriwal. Get ready for Kejriwal. बस इसी तरह से बढ़िया रेसिपीज मैं आपके लिए लेके आता रहूंगा। बस जाइए मेरा YouTube चैनल सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और इस बेल आइकन को दबाइए ताकि आपको हर बार इंस्टेंटली अपडेट्स मिले मेरे YouTube चैनल के।